Storytelling, terrific insights, have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Enemies with bad intentions, be like. Today we're looking at some humorous examples of people who seem determined to spread negativity. Remember this, all light-hearted fun. The best response to negativity is usually staying calm, kind, and focus on your goals. 1. The rumor starter. Be like, breaking news. I made up a story 5 minutes ago. Reason, some people enjoy drama more than facts. 2. The constant critic. Be like, if it is working, let me find something wrong with it. Reason, they focus on flaws instead of solutions. 3. The jealous observer. Be like, why are they succeeding? This is unacceptable. Reason, sometimes envy makes people negative. 4. The happiness detector. Be like, you're smiling, let me complain about something. Reason, some people struggle to enjoy positive comments. 5. The online argument champion. Be like, I disagree and I haven't even read the whole post. Reason, quick reactions can replace thoughtful discussion. 6. The credit collector. Be like, we did it by I mean mostly we. Reason, they want a recognition without teamwork. 7. The pessimist. Be like, good news, there must be a catch. A reason, they expect the worst in every situation. 8. The professional complainer. Be like, the weather is perfect and that's somehow a problem. Reason, complaining becomes a habit. 9. The attention seeker. Be like, if nobody is looking at time, I'll create drama. Reason, some people crave attention. 10. The grudge holder. Be like, I still remember what happened in 2014. Reason, letting go can be difficult. 11. The negative coach. Be like, you can, I do it. Reason, sometimes people project their own doubt onto others. 12. The unhelpful helper. Be like, I care to help by making everything more confusing. Reason, good intentions and good results aren't always the same. 13. The fault finder. Be like, everything went right, but I found one tiny mistakes. Reason, they focus on imperfections. 14. The energy drainer. Be like, let's turn these exciting moments into a boring one. 15. The goal blocker. Be like, instead of improving myself, I'll distract others. Reason, it's easier to distract than to grow. The good news is that kindness, patience, and personal growth are stronger than negativity.